right now, so the main problems we were having, I think they were all boiling down to testing this crap, right? Which is annoyingly hard if you want to test the dumb way, which is just having a VM. So there's this thing which is Zephyr, and there's another one which is XNest, that they are X11 nesters. So you can basically use X11 and nest some, like make another screen in it, like as a normal application, and just spawn applications in there, redirecting the display. So in this example here, what we're running, I'm just gonna spawn a display with 800 by 600, and there is one already running. I'm gonna kill this and start again. So I'm gonna start with 3. So there it is, and then you can just pipe applications to it. So in this case, we can put in WM the binary, but there's nothing in the binary, so I'm just gonna send Emacs, and there it is. It spawns here. So that is the flow. So we're just making a shell script that runs in WM, and that's it. So
Yeah. So now we need to discover, now that we have that, we need to go back to the code, to the C code, and remember the shortcuts that we settled and see if we can test them in here.
So do you want to code together, or?
No, I think you need to, you just bought a new keyboard. It should be good for you to type.
Oh, I can go on VS Code and we can share,
Well,
and you can type there as well. But I can open it
I
back
don't think
again.
it's that worth it right now, because right now our main goal is to make the tiny WM work.
So I don't care. I don't care.
I don't know
I
what
don't
you
care
mean
for
with I
you,
don't
Lens.
care, but okay.
I don't care for you, Lens. Okay. Memory
Okay.
block mode. Okay, do I have LSP for C? That's cursed, but yeah.
And it failed. Cool.
Awesome.
Um,
Process, and because probably Mac, probably because of Nixos.
okay, so I have a thing. I have a suggestion, right? So we need to discover how can we make, because when we debugged the dumb way before using the VM, we actually had the capability of choosing a program to be instantiated within the window manager, right?
Yeah.
So we need to discover how to do that in here as well, because as far as I can tell, the tinywm thing assumes that you have something for starters, right?
I I don't know. I think so. What?
Uh,
Can you read the thing? What they say on their blog?
oh, the tinywm.
Yes.
Sure.
One
So
view.
not
Oh, I know
this.
why. Because Benay's
Tiny,
use. Oh man, I know why.
the tiniest window manager.
Is it really? By GCC Clang. Disable that. LSP, please work. Okay, it works. I just don't have STDIO.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
What the heck? Why don't have STDIO, man?
Man, I'm very confused because in the README of TinyWM, they don't explain anything at all. You just say, oh, you have four things that you can do. You can do focus follows the pointer. You have Alt button drag to interactive window move, and Alt button 3 drag to interactive window resize, and Alt F1. So my main question is how how do you start from zero? That's my point.
Can you see if there is any start text like a xinit script or something like this.
Xinit. Let me
Because
see.
probably you start along with another program, and then you see, so the window manager itself doesn't start anything, but you start it along with a terminal. We can try.
Well,
So
we can
let's
try,
see.
but the problem is that I don't see anything like that in the repo. It just has the Python version, the
Okay,
C
so let's,
version, the explained version. Oh, there's an explained version.
yes, which is just the thing with
Okay, so we
comments.
are just stupid then. We should have got
I
this
read
from
that,
starters.
but we read that.
No, we didn't. We just went for
You did.
documentation
Man, I
purely.
had literally opened the file with comments and I was reading them.
I didn't do that at all.
Then you were done.
Okay, so I am dumber.
Okay, so let me see. Here. Will it work? If it works, it's gonna be awesome. Can you repeat to me the key bindings?
For what? Oh,
Uh,
for the
yeah.
yeah.
Food,
No, but
yes.
are we reusing the pure code from TinyWM or are we
Yes.
using the ones
I
that we
think
changed?
I think we're using the pure code xterm. So we have xterm here.
Okay, so the key bindings, the original key bindings.
Hmm.
No, we changed because the original key bindings are using one.
Oh
I
no,
think we are
no,
using
no.
super.
If it is showing this, then we are not. So let me see.
You're
It
using
is the
S, you
code.
see there, line 16.
I'm just see, dude. It's working here, but it's not working on Emacs. What the heck? Anyway, so okay. So what is it?
Try to do one sec.
I don't think it's working though because you see the cursor.
What does that cursor mean?
This is the void cursor. You just started X11, but there's nothing here, so you can't do anything.
No, but that's okay until.
Yeah, yeah, but if
Oh, did
you
you hear
are in the
that?
window manager, I did.
Yeah, that was
Wait,
unexpected.
what the heck?
This
Okay,
was
but
this I don't know, the
we
clouds.
changed to
We
S.
changed to
So
S instead of F1. So if you do Alt Super then Alt S or Alt Super, Alt S or Alt Super.
no,
But I
that's
want to also try the other things because I don't think we changed the other things. So the other things are Alt button one. So hold Alt
sorry.
and
Wait, I enabled the screen reader. Anyway, so
so
what?
Alt and I think F1.
Alt F1.
No, 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 not Alt
Oh,
F1. Sorry, Alt button one. So use your mouse.
oh, okay, nothing.
Okay, but go to the boundaries of this window and try to do things with that. Okay, it's not working at all. So that's a problem. And the other one is Alt with the right button of the mouse, I think.
Yeah, but we changed the shit, right? So what it was the key on this
F1 in here,
F1?
F1.
Okay, now I have F1, so let's keep it.
Okay, let me take a look on the code though, just to see if we are not we didn't change anything else. I don't think we did. Yeah,
Okay,
okay, so you can
so
just you need to kill the thing, right?
I already did.
You need to build. Actually, I think I'm gonna make a just file just for that, just to initiate this entire process from scratch.
Oh, why not just the shell script? Oh wait, I didn't start the program, but I can do it now. So xterm again. There it is. So now F1. F1 does that.
Alt F1.
Yes. Alt F1. Okay, Alt F1 doesn't, but I can't do anything else. Can I start another? Emacs. Okay, it's shadowed. Look at the time Emacs takes to load.
Try
Okay,
doing anything with that window, but like I don't know, maybe holding Alt, for instance.
I am.
Okay, so we don't know how to use TinyWM. Let's search how to use TinyWM.
People are literally gonna say the same thing. They're gonna say, "Are you dumb?" That's a possibility.
Are you dumb? It's possible that we are. Okay, so move windows interactively with Alt button 1, left button mouse. So you should be able to drag windows around while holding Alt.
I don't need to click
No, you need to click. You need to click with the left. Click
with
and
the
hold,
left.
I guess.
Yes, I am.
Okay, so you can't do that.
I noticed that when I press Alt, the cursor disappears. You see?
Yeah, I also noticed that. I wonder if actually the programs that we are running, like the Xterm and the Emacs, they're actually not running inside NWM. They are running inside the Xterm, Zephyr, whatever we are doing there.
Oh, if we started the thing first, I don't think it should.
Does the run script that you made, is that running NWM inside? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, so now I'm very confused. What are we doing wrong? What are we doing wrong? Because we must be doing something wrong. That's for sure.
We can try. Can we try raising a window of a random program in
How to
C?
raise a window? Rise windows without F1.
But raise, I think it supposes that there are two windows overlapping, right?
I believe so.
Yeah, that's not what I want. I want to spawn a window inside C. Like you press
Oh,
designing and then it spawns a thing, you see?
oh, I think I know what you're talking about. Okay, but if that's the case, we're gonna have to take a look on how it does that.
Oh, dude, could it be? Oh, no.
What?
mm No, I don't think there is a problem there because I assume the following: like, we are running X11 here on my machine, and then at the same time, we're piping through to this display, which is 3.0.
Yeah.
And then what I thought would be happening is all the processing and all this crap would be on my machine. But then who is rendering the screen is in charge of the window manager. So it's not really what I don't think it is a problem. Like I think it is indeed inside a top NWM, but I don't think it is doing anything.
Do you see that at the top, on the top of that black window, there is a thing written? Control Shift grabs mouse and keyboard. What does that mean?
Let me try. Control Shift.
Oh, it changes from grabs to releases.
Oh, I cannot quit. Okay. My cursor is blocked,
Wait,
and this blocks my
let's
cursor.
test again the shortcuts of TinyWM, but with you can't go out because maybe there's some sort of ownership going on.
So you wanna trap me there?
Okay, so now Control Shift again, and now try to do Alt F1 again.
Oh, I can move.
Oh!
Okay, so that was it. Yeah. Top tier
Oh,
debugging.
boggers, dude.
Resize. What is F1? It's
F1 is nothing. You always need the modifier. So Alt
but,
F1, Alt button 1, and Alt button 2.
yeah, but why F1 then?
Because the Alt F1 can do the raise focus window. You need two windows to do the Alt F1 one.
Oh man, this is so much better to debug now.
Dude, I can't believe that that thing was the thing. It's ownership.
What was the thing to raise
Okay,
the window?
okay. Now put the cursor on top of the yes, and now Alt F1. Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. Let's move it.
It works.
Ah, finally.
Okay, so now we have good enough. Push this right now. Commit this
Oh yeah.
to master.
To master. Ignore, overwrite everything.
Yeah,
Don't
even
care.
if it requires to force it, I don't care. Wait, wait, wait. Are we pushing any result things? No, we are not. Good.
No, there's only ignore. Fixed testing project. I should rename it some. Oh,
The classic. Dude, now you're talking, man.
okay, now we can finally do something. Okay, let's see. So this we're keeping. This modifier key is scrap. Let's put S and then we test.
Yeah, but we don't
Uh,
know if S is gonna be S or super, right? That's the thing.
yes, let's see. So X next event. So okay, this is the logic that we were looking through, like resize window and so on.
Yeah.
This is the logic for. Wait, let me
Now that
read
no
it.
wait, now that I saw the annotated, let's also read the annotated. I want to read the
So
one with
raise
comments.
window is just like to swap, right? Which makes sense. So we see if the thing is known, which is the initial state, with a key press. Okay. So what about we try to capture an event? Pointer motion, okay. Button press. Okay, so let's try to do the following. What does this X grab button give me? So it gives me integers. I love it.
Yeah, yeah,
How not
everything
to
everything are integers, dude.
love
What are you
integers.
talking about?
How not to love integers. I love them. Grab button, and I'm going to.
You need to pass the display first,
Yeah.
then the numbers are the buttons, right? The buttons of the
So,
mouse, as far as I can tell.
yeah. So this is the mouse button. But what if I want to get another? Oh wait, button is exclusive with the mouse. So I think it is key that we want. I want to make a combination, and then I spawn a program, something
That's
like
cool.
this.
That's cool.
So let's see, dpy.
Dude, we could embed Emacs inside the window manager as the default.
That would be kind of first, but yes. Okay, can you read the docs of this, or can I jump there? Here. So display key code. What is the key code for? I don't know.
Well, but that we have an
The
example for. Go back. Go back to the code. So
do?
do you see that after the display there is a key X key sim to key code, right? So it's basically doing the conversion of
Ah,
the code
okay.
for
Here's
you.
the conversion. Okay. So can you pick a string that is a key? Like what key? H?
Um, yeah, I think we can try with normal letters for now and see what happens.
Yeah, but is H a normal letter? That's my question. Because S is, I think it was super. So I don't know what is
Okay,
S.
can you go to the X string to key sim function? This is only the header. Okay, we are okay, so we can't. Cool. So we don't know the mapping.
Ah,
So I
let's
think we
see.
already figured out this before, but I always forget
Yeah, I
where.
don't remember seeing this. I remember seeing like a page with a bunch of constants there.
Okay, so X 11 strings to key map. Yes, key sims. Oh, there's macros for it. There are macros. Um, the non-capital, you can use X key underscore the letter. That will be the correspondence between the key sim and the character. Oh no, but we are using a function that converts. I think that's gonna work just fine then. You need to pass the display there, yeah. Okay, so the question now is, wait, this is not gonna work because the second parameter of the grab key function, it requires a code. We are passing a key sim. You see there?
So we need to just do this.
Yeah, we need to do the same thing. But for what exactly are we doing that though? This
I
other
just want to make
shortcut.
a new event that starts a new thing. That's
Okay,
it.
okay.
So okay, we have this crap. Then how do we differentiate this event from the other?
That's the good question. That's a
So
very
he has
good
Alt
question.
key press, and then he. Oh, I see. So okay, so he's handling this as the only possibility. So probably it's
Yes.
inside here. So let's just do a branch. I just need to get used to my keyboard.
Yeah, because Magetta has a new keyboard, and
Yes,
which
I
is
do.
not 60% because he learned his lesson.
Yes, I did. Never. Okay, so if can we know what is the key? So
EV
EV
dot.
key. I need to keep looking at the keyboard. And awesome because it is X key and dumb. Display
Key
key
code?
code. So if
Uh,
let's do this here. So if this key code, oopsie, is
equals. You need to copy
equal.
paste from there, dude. You need to copy paste that entire thing. Yes.
So this.
If it's that, you're gonna do the raise window thing.
I was typing then. I'm stupid. Is this C? Um,
If that's the
okay.
case,
So
you're gonna do the raise window.
this.
Just grab that line. Yeah.
What? Wasn't it? Okay, it's out on Visual Studio, right?
Well, I don't know.
Ah,
I'm
I
so used to
met.
the Emacs one now.
Yes, Ben. Yes. Okay.
And then else if this you can just copy paste and just gonna switch to the H instead of
Yes.
S.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Oh, and another way, not another way, another thing. If you want to not use Alt, you need to swap the mod mask, because I think that the mod one mask is Alt,
That's
right?
fine. That's fine. I think Alt is fine. If I press like Super on GNOME, it's gonna do this. So no, thank you. So okay, what are we doing here? So what options do we have?
That's a very good question.
We could spawn. How do we spawn? I think it was from a system call actually, exec. But I think we need the system thing is. How do we start a new app, a new program from C? I don't recall.
Okay, so let's search
It
for
was
that.
like exec
How
v something like
to
this.
start new
Exec v,
program from C.
exec vc. Okay, but I want Linux die here. So it is inside unistd here. Include.
Oh, you can also use the stdlib one using system.
Okay. Yeah, but
Well,
let's use
yeah, let's
exec v.
do the way that you remember.
I don't remember. It just
Well, you remember the name. That's better than me.
yeah. There's like exec v, exec vp, exec vpe. Like I don't know what
Who
exec.
needs names, dude? Who needs names?
So this, as far as I recall, is the
Path for the
program.
program, right?
So it is just a string with the thing.
I think you're gonna
So
have to do the entire path though, right?
probably.
Yeah,
Probably yes.
so do which Emacs in the terminal and then just copy paste.
Because okay, I need to read the link because that's on my home manager. Read the link again,
Oh, I didn't know. I was not aware of that. That's cool to know.
and then I get this. Okay.
We should
So
make
this is
macros for
done.
this instead of hard coding this, dude.
Yes, but oh, it's wait. What is it?
This is a list of arguments that you want to pass to the program, I guess.
So
No. I think it's no with capital, all capital. This is not JavaScript.
oh yeah. Are you implying that I am a JavaScript?
Okay,
How am
I have a no. Before we do anything, let's change the H to E because it's E of for Emacs.
okay?
No. You need to change in the if as well, dude. That's why I
In
want to
the
make the
oh
macros.
here. I see. And just a test to see if the hypothesis will work.
Nix
And
build
then and I run it? No. Mix build.
done.
The time of truth, Linus.
Wait, it worked.
Oh,
I'm
it
I'm
did.
I'm impressed. It compiled.
Well, it did. Yes.
I'm
Okay,
go.
I need to.
Oh no! It didn't compile. We need to do git add.
You gotta be kidding me.
It didn't compile. I'm 100% sure we are missing something.
Okay.
The Nix build just...
It did. It did work.
I don't know if I trust that, but okay.
Well, there. I think it is, but yeah, it built.
Okay,
It's like
so now we
Golang.
spawned out the manager.
It's as fast as Golang. That's the point. Right?
That's the point.
Okay, so let's see. If I should capture my thing, so this captured,
Yeah,
and there's nothing here.
yeah.
Okay, so
Alt E.
no.
Nothing happened there. So we are doing something wrong and we don't have any
Yeah, but
logs.
I don't even see my cursor. That is weird. That is very strange. Cause like this, I can see my cursor. You see?
Yeah.
Oh wait. Yeah, I can move.
Can you do Ctrl X, Ctrl C in here to delete, to remove, to close Emacs? Now
Yeah.
Alt E. Nope. Okay, so wait, how
If you see,
you were moving the window before? You were doing the F1 or S?
I did. Oh, F1 is just to change, right? I didn't. Let me start chewing maxes. 3 actually. Okay, so this is out. Oh, what? Oh, sorry. What? Oh, I was pressing tab. Okay, so it is out. Is it? Or is it not?
No, no, wait.
Wait, wasn't it
How
out
did you
and
move the window
click?
before?
Out click. Out click and drag.
And it's not working right now?
No.
That's bad. Um. Hmm. But it just did that. I'm confused.
Let me go back to F1. But I don't think it was this. Uh, it shouldn't be this either. I don't think so. Let's put you F2.
Oh, maybe Emacs was grabbing the thing, dude. You know what I
I
mean?
don't think so.
Maybe you did meta E, and Emacs was trying to. Yeah, that's possible, dude. That's okay. That's actually a good call to do in using the F functions, although it sucks ergonomically speaking.
Who needs ergonomics, man? Okay, rebuilt. Now. Ta-da-da-dum.
Who needs
Ta-da-da-dum.
ergonomics?
Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-dum. Okay, I don't have anything, but let's try. Alt F2. Nadie.
Yeah, nothing. That's kind of weird.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Let me try something extra. Okay, but if I quit and I do this display thingy, it works. There is extern. So grab, we can escape. Yes. So what if I press Alt F2? No Emacs.
Can you open on the other
Wait,
terminal, in the terminal
what
that
is
we
not
have?
working?
Sorry?
Oh, okay. I don't have another thing. Wait a second. Spawn two other. Grab. Huh?
Alt F1 is not working now?
No. Actually,
Oh,
nothing is
okay. So that
working.
I think it means that our ifs are wrong. That's what it means.
It could be, but I think it crashed everything, to be honest.
What do you mean by crashed?
Because it is not, for example, like things that weren't supposed to be, like for example, moving. You see, are not moving anymore. So let's see here. So it probably crashed trying to call this. Let's try to do something very dumb, which is write to a file. So do we have access to? Oh man, how do I debug this? Because I wanted to print or write something to a file in my file system. So do I have to know if I have access to my file system? So let's try to.
I think you can have. I think the only thing that we are doing there is
Let's just do one
display.
thing here to see if the disk to see if the thing is right. So I'll just print here.
No, but that printf will not work, I think, because
I
that
know,
printf.
I know, I know. I will not see anything. I don't want to. Well, I would want to, but I don't.
Yeah, dude, we need to adjust file for this. Multiple comments.
Okay, so this display. There's one. Now another. Grab. I didn't grab. Okay, I can move. Good. Now if I press Alt F1, it works. Alt F2. Okay.
It's not crashing though. So
Yes.
probably
So
the
it is not
exact
crashed. It's
thing.
waiting for
The
the exact V that crashed. Yes. So I know how to debug this. So let's try to do just a file. So main.c that we pick just this. We make a main and we try to call Emacs with null. I think it is that null that is breaking. Let's see. Who is there?
commander.
Hello, Commander.
Well, this is my thing, right? This is C language.
Wait, can you repeat that? I didn't hear.
I said this is my thing. This is my profile. This is C language.
Oh, yeah, it's
I'm-
just that I can see you.
I'm proficient in this shit.
Proficient in
working.
being yourself. At least you don't need to fake it, right?
Yeah,
And stuff.
yeah. Okay, so whatever you did there didn't work to compile.
It didn't compile, but I think it's because I'm using Clang.
Probably, yeah. Okay, so let me give you a summary, Commander. So
Mm-hmm.
we spent last 3 sessions of this thing trying to make an environment for debugging the window manager, right? And because we are dumb, the only thing that we could think of was to make a VM that would use the window manager. But that turned out to be very, very inconvenient.
Segmentation fault. That is our culprit.
Okay, so that answers why it didn't work.
How do I make an empty array on C?
Just open close brackets, I guess.
No, I don't
Yeah,
think so.
but with the type.
Isn't
No.
it like this?
No.
Well, I mean, this is a vector.
I don't think it is like this, man.
No,
No.
it's like this, but with a type. You add
Oh,
a type.
really? Like, okay, but how?
You just put it like int and then.
Like this?
Yeah.
Really?
I don't know, there's a complaint there. But anyway, just to finish the summary. So then, my boss mentioned that there are tools that you can debug X11 things in X11. Because right now, both Magette and I, we are using X11 machines, right? We are using XOS.
Oh,
So,
sorry. The brackets should go after the type, not before. Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
and the type itself, the whole
Yeah,
thing itself goes
the
after,
type-
before the name. Yes, like this.
Yes, but why is he complaining, man? Unexpected identifier. What?
we don't know how to program in C.
Yes, dude.
Yeah.
It's been like years since I did anything in
Yeah.
C.
Yeah, well, I mean, I do C++, so to be honest,
Oh.
I don't know how to do C-style arrays.
Okay, so you just do. Okay, the brackets come after the name. So it's
Oh,
int,
you're
then the
supposed to
name.
put, yeah,
Oh, seriously?
and
Like
then you're
this?
Yeah.
supposed to put size inside as well.
Yeah, you're supposed to put size. So put whatever there. 10, 0, 1. No, 0 I don't think it's gonna work. Put 1. And then you do equal to braces.
Wow, it worked. Let's see. Ah,
Right, it's complaining though.
yes, it doesn't break, but
It is
it is
not
not
doing the
shown
exact
in the
thing.
next though. Could it be because? Oh wait, I think I know why. Because it died, right? So I think I know where I should put that, but oopsie. Yeah, I think it tries to open, but the program quits and then it dies. You see. So let's see on
You need
this
to-
X.
What is this exact V is doing? Let me check.
Okay, so but this is a
it is-
function to spawn another program.
Yeah, that's the only function I remember the scrap.
Yeah.
So
Well, I
these
mean,
are the argvs for the program.
Yeah.
So I think we can put like
okay, so it should be char.
should be what? Sorry.
Well, you want to put like, okay, let me think. You want to put like an empty char array there, not.
Actually, now I want this right, the ampersand, so it quits. So
No,
it
that's not okay. That's not
doesn't hang.
terrible.
Oh wait.
No, but the types are wrong. This is not an int. This is a shard.
Yes, I know. Design. That's the other thing we want. True.
I don't
Char.
think it's braces though. I still think it's brackets. But
Dude,
maybe I'm wrong.
this is not okay. Well, okay, this is fine, but I don't think it takes exec-v takes.
Oh, apart from the unicessity.
Okay,
Okay.
so I am the parent process, then you're doing that.
So this is the main thing, and then
Yeah,
you pass it some.
this is from the example,
Okay. So let
and
me
don't
just
forget
put it
null
on.
terminator. See, they put null terminator there for you.
Uh-huh. Go here. And then our stuff is just the zone, but where?
Yeah, you can remove that. The printf you can remove.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's see. I'll keep it there.
Okay, but the things, the yeah, you need to change that for the ampersand and other things that you want. Then you can remove the rest until the null. I think the null is required in this case.
Null is required, yes, because it's null terminator.
Wait, this is wrong still.
I really don't recall doing this then.
Do like change the size and do it properly. Do
Yeah,
it like
change that
size
to
of
3 and then do 2 in line 9.
yeah.
Okay, try that.
Segmentation fault.
Core dumped.
When it tries to call this trash.
Open the open. Do you know where core is down?
Good question.
It
think it
it
should be here.
usually dumps it. It can dump it here, but usually dumps it. Oh my god! Let me check 1 second.
But let me see one thing. Is it this space?
Maybe. I have no idea.
Oh wait. No.
No. Segmentation
Oh,
fault core dumped.
Yeah, so it's var lib systemd core dump.
The question is it on Linux? On Nixus?
Nixus?
Well, you tried var lib systemd. Do you have systemd at all?
Yeah,
Core
core
dump.
dump.
Yeah, check it. What's inside?
So I tried.
What's the latest one? Oh my god, they're all in ZST. Yeah, so you need to like unpack them.
Oh man, this is cursed.
Yeah, you welcome to my job, man.
I'm sorry to hear. Okay, can I unpack it with tar?
Yes, you can unpack it with time.
Welcome to my job. That was sad.
That was really
You know, I don't think you can unpack them like this. Just try unzst instead. Unzst.
Like this. Oh, wait, there's unzstd.
I'm not sure. I don't remember the name.
I don't think this is it. Young Conet. What is this?
Man, I just did it.
How to spawn?
Unpack.
I literally almost like going crazy and dropping C. I don't know.
Just because we don't know how to spawn a program.
Yes. Man, I did a shell. Man.
Wait, unzstd. Try unzst. Try unzstd. Try unzstd.
This.
Yes.
Okay.
On the latest ZST file.
Yeah,
Yes.
it worked.
Okay, now show me the contents.
The question is what content?
Open anyway.
Content of, no, don't open it in the edit. No, don't do that.
Awesome.
No, don't do that. Do it. Open it with GDB.
Oh, he's trying to do it professionally, dude. He's a professional C developer.
Of course.
Okay, so what is
He
the
wants GDB.
GDB, and then can I just put on that crap? Oh, what?
No,
I
I
don't
think
have.
you need to.
Wait, I have.
Let me try to remember.
Oh, dude, I
How
don't
do you
have it.
do this? You need to specialize the binary name. So in your case, it will be like Emacs, or maybe even user being Emacs, or whatever. What was it? Emacs, right? Type which Emacs.
Try to what? Sorry.
Oh, you have the path already. Never mind. So you have the path to Emacs.
Yeah.
So you pass this to GDB.
Just one
Like the
thing. Let me just test one thing. I have X.
okay.
It starts, and I have my stuff here.
White.
Yeah, it's Xterm, dude. That's why it doesn't pick my stuff. Let me try with this. Oh, this hellhole. It works, but it doesn't start, right? Because well, there it kills the Emacs probably afterwards. Oh no!
Mm-hmm.
No, wait. This is here. Huh? So it didn't give me a core dump. No.
But it didn't spawn Emacs either.
Do. Yes, but let me recall something. I remember something like this, man.
Manget is doing completely out of memory, Commander.
No, I remember like having something that like you need to specify the thing and then you need to specify again. So that was really weird. Let me try. So this zone here, semicolon, because this is a retarded language.
No, you forgot to change the null terminator, man.
Oh yeah, you forgot to change the terminator. Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah. Okay, but that shouldn't be that hard. So using exec commands for a child process.
Let me Google something.
Okay, so people are saying that system. So the first way that I told you. Let's try the other way, Maget. What do you think? Instead of the exec one, there's this way here. I'm gonna send the link on the chat.
Oh, well, this passes an environment. Maybe we're gonna need this. So let's
Like
see.
this.
Does it work? No.
Just one question: why C and not C++?
Oh, it doesn't matter actually.
Actually, there isn't a reason.
There's like it matters a lot, man. It matters a lot.
No, I'm just saying.
No,
like,
it matters if you want the functionality
you
of C++.
didn't have a reason not to. That's what they're saying. Yeah, but the question is, do I have my context here? Which dot? I do have .NET. Can I spawn Emacs? I can. So we should have the same things here because the context is the same, right? Shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, but why when you do the exec thing it doesn't work? Try the system one. Go to the chat on Discord. Try it this way. I think it's gonna be. I think it's gonna work.
Open. Yeah, but okay.
You need stdlib as well instead of un st.
Yeah, Unix shit. Std
lib, and then just do Emacs instead of full 123. You can remove the rest of the
whole
things.
argument actually. So Emacs. Oh, this is simpler.
That. There.
It
Ah!
So
Wait, I didn't see it. What did
It
you
worked!
do? Oh, you used system,
I tried to use the big A library. So let's try this.
The big A. No, you can remove the int status equal whatever. Because this is only to see if it worked, right? We don't care about that, I think.
Okay, but don't I need to okay, it's not expression based.
No,
No, it's not expression based.
you don't need to assign shit, man.
Nix, you need to have you. I think you have the thing already running. Yeah, you need to close that. Okay, Nix build. Then you do the run script. Yeah, and now you do the control.
Oh, I can just run it here, I
Yeah, you should be
suppose.
able to do it from here.
What was the
Alt
thing?
F2.
Alt F2. Quack, quack, quack,
And no.
quack.
Why?
Let me try.
I'm so confused.
Okay, unlocked. So, okay, there's something mildly infuriating about this, which is, did you see?
Yeah, it worked then.
If I do from here, it doesn't, which is outside the boundaries of the window manager, I guess. But
What?
here, it is. So the windows, they are inside the window manager. So if I pass this and out F2, then I spawn another Emacs, you see? So it is what I thought. You see this cursor here?
Yeah.
That is the cursor of the void shit. Like, I see this when for example, when you spawn Emacs without anything else, like, which is the case here, then this thing, it's nothing. Like, I can click, I can do anything, because this is not the boundaries of the window manager. So I need to spawn something in the window manager before.
Yeah, but then the question is, so the tiny WM people, they expect you to figure out that part yourself instead of like.
Yes, probably
Oh.
because they expect you to start your program along with another thing. So, for example, when you do exec, you do with like xterm ampersand afterwards. You see?
Mhm.
So I think, okay, we figured out this at least, and we have Emacs. So let's try it with E of Emacs. Let's just leave the
You need
dream.
to, yeah, you need to close if you have that still running.
This kind of sucks, but
Yeah, but I'm gonna
well,
make a just file just to do that, so it's fine.
I need to capture my thing, and E doesn't work. How interesting.
Alt E doesn't work.
No.
So
Or could it
one.
be because of my macOS keyboard? Just a sec. I think it is macOS. Ah. Oh no, wait! I'm not on macOS. I'm going crazy, dude. I'm on Linux. Never mind.
No, but you're not using the macOS version of the keyboard, right? Like that.
No, I hope not.
Okay.
Because
Uh,
it swaps meta by like just a modifier to alter letters.
well, I think that there is a case that the application that you're currently running, in the case Xterm, is trying to interpret the Alt E first, and maybe it's doing something, even erroring out, maybe.
Well, I'll just put a sleep here because I'm going insane typing that all the time. And I'm gonna spawn. Oh, xterm.
Yeah, Xterm is fine.
Okay.
Hello, Vinicius, by the way.
I forgot. What was the whole thing you were trying to launch Emacs for?
Okay, so we are trying to launch Emacs because we were experimenting like, okay, we basically picked TinyWM, which has already 3 pre-made shortcuts, like key bindings and mouse things going on, and we want to experiment making our own. So we chose when you press Alt F2 inside the window manager, it will spawn Emacs.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So,
I
yeah.
already know how to do some extra stuff we can do with this. So, for
Oh,
example,
okay, wait. It didn't work because it didn't change line 20, Magita.
20? What are you talking about?
Yeah, dude.
Where's 20?
20, line 20.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it is doing F2 there.
Oh, I just changed here, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Maybe that's the solution to the problem.
Yes, let's see. Good. Ah, man. Wait. There, that's our just fine.
And
So there. Okay, it works.
aha!
All right, so we can relocate, do all the stuff. We can even jump. So okay, Now let's do the following. Let's start modifying the behaviors. Well, it's going to be a tiling window manager, I guess.
A tiling you mean that like i3?
Good question. So, okay, so we have resizing, which is not the best, I would say. um,
Wait, in what language do you do window manager?
C.
well, it's in C.
Oh, in
We could have
C.
done in SML, but we didn't see. Well, it didn't do, right? This is the code of the dude, actually.
Yeah, this is the code of TinyWM. What we did was the entire
Well, we
infrastructure
just
to
added
code in
this.
it.
We just did this here, this part and this.
Yeah.
To add a new event with a news key, and then just spawn Emacs if you see that.
Yeah.
So okay, let's try to do something here. So if
What about
you
swapping places of two windows? That would be cool.
swap, yeah, but first we need to arrange the windows in tiles, right?
Okay.
So let's think of it. We need to basically get the coordinates aware and modify each window whenever you press a key. I don't know. In i3, I think it is Alt Enter, for example. Okay, i3, I think if you the more windows you just spawn, the more they do the tiling, right? They go dividing.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like by spawning. Okay, so let's do something here. You know Rofi?
No? What is that?
It is a program to start. Rofi. Um Linux. It is basically a window here. So it's better seen than. Yeah. So you press something, key binding, whatever, and then it spawns Rofi, and then you just type the program and it launches. There is also D menu.
Oh, D menu. I use that. I use that.
I think D menu is simpler, so we can use D menu. Okay, so let's see. So I need to obviously incorporate the menu, the dependencies
When
for
you say it, it sounds like demon.
daemon,
Yeah, demon.
menu,
Same
menu,
thing. Anyway,
menu.
I'm still baffled by the fact that you want to do a window manager in
By
C.
what? Sorry.
Wait. Before you continue, Commander, I just remember we need to go to the Flake and add Emacs as well, because whoever is running this may not have Emacs.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, it's gonna be bloat, right? But
Anyway, now you can go,
yeah.
Commander. You are what? Sorry.
I'm still baffled by the fact that you want to do tiling manager anything in C.
Okay, now.
What about you are
Yeah.
baffled with?
I mean, C is like a language of pure evil.
I think yes, I agree. And I don't even do C. Okay, this we try to spawn it.
It's
Okay,
a
let's
language of pure evil. Ah man, that's gonna be I don't know, maybe that's gonna be the title of today's stream.
C is evil, isn't it?
It's the language of pure evil. Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, let's wait to get the bloat.
Wait, how that's gonna behave now that you're not doing purely? So which Emacs is gonna spawn there?
Good question. I think it's gonna spawn mine because it's just shared, right?
I
It's
think
not.
I'm gonna bet on the opposite. It's gonna spawn the one that it is inside the environment.
You are wrong and I'm right. That's how it works here. Okay, so spawned. Good. Now if I get capture here, there it is. That's my Emacs. Because it's still my computer, so it doesn't make sense to spawn. Okay.
Now you do Alt D.
Alt D. There it is. So we can spawn programs in our thing. So I don't know. GNOME terminal. Oopsie. Well, whatever I'm using. Don't know what I need. Alacrity. There it is, Alacrity.
We're gonna get confused by this.
There it is. Okay, so beautiful. We can through key bindings. That's very good.
Yeah,
So
but
okay, we
now the tiling is the problem that I don't know how we're gonna solve because we're gonna have to do some math, I guess.
yeah. So Dennis, can I go have dinner, and then you try to do this?
Oh, I can try to
And
reproduce it in
then
my machine to see
He
if
yeah,
wants
try
this
to
to
go
run,
works.
do some math
do some math.
in C.
Try to push everything. You noticed. I thought you wouldn't notice.
Just get out of here. Let's see. Okay. What? Okay, deleted. Git add. Let's code. That's all right, I guess.
Yeah, the flake, the script, and the.
And dmenu and emacs. That's awesome because now we have a flake to run up. Somebody wants to use it all the time.
Yeah, now we have
We
on the flake.
we need to do a configuration language as well. No, I'm not joking, dude. Like
We
that's
need to
part
make a
of the.
config language.
Yeah, it can be like dummy one, right? It can be just like list of commands.
What is the ratio of your projects overall to the finished projects, Mageta?
Wait, in the way. Repeat the question. Sorry.
What
You
is the
just
ratio?
Uh huh.
of the projects overall that you have to the finished projects that you have.
Oh, I see. So the ratio you're asking if like
How many
how many?
projects we finish basically?
Okay.
Yeah.
So I
I
think there is only well finished. Oh, depends, right, on the scope. Like silverware, I don't think we're finished, but for what we promised on the scope, I think we are pretty much finished.
I
On the
would say the
first part,
ratio is 8 out of 10.
yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, for
Okay. Yeah.
it, okay. I'm thinking of all the projects. So like the Mandelbrot set, we finished.
Yeah.
Uh,
The bot has a bug, so that's kind of like unfinished sort of.
okay.
The
Commonly, we
game.
kind of didn't. The Tetris,
Yeah, the Tetris it didn't do
yeah,
the
it's
graphics and
totally
the game logic.
properly. Yeah.
Yeah, properly. And
Um,
the Rust one was finished completely, the compressor. Uh, what other one that we other ones?
oh,
Oh, the
Falcon 9.
Erlang and LFA ones also completed with the scope.
Oh man, I'm kind of proud of the knife project.
Oh yeah, the ninth one was good. Um,
HVIPA, Fractama was the Mandelbrot.
yeah,
Yeah, I think that's it.
yeah. So I
Yeah,
would
those
say a
are
8
all
out
the
of 10.
projects actually.
Ma
Yeah.
ma mainly because of Latris and the Go one.
Oh, the Go one, I think it's kind of already finished, right?
Yeah, but it
But
has a bug that bothers me a lot.
when we do the database, we can finally just incorporate our database in the bot. We
Oh
have a
man.
window manager, a database. We just need the file system now, and then the rest, right? That's gonna be. Anyway, I'll go have dinner. I'll be back. 15 minutes. See if you
Okay.
can run it. Right?
I'm gonna share my screen
Right, I'll be back.
with you here.
Oh, by the way, Commander, if you wanna show up, we're gonna be doing this is
Doing.
the fun part.
You're
We're
gonna
gonna
do.
be doing what again?
Yeah, you
Ah,
it cut.
database.
Oh, a database. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's your job, right? So, yeah.
Um.
Anyway,
Yeah, I mean,
Okay. So I'm gonna be sharing the screen now. So let's take a look on what had happened here. Okay, so the way that it works, as far as I can tell, you just do run, run like that, and it will fetch all the things that are required and the dependencies and whatever. And another point, Commander, we plan on going back to the Latris one at some point.
Yes, I understand. It's just that if I were to do this thing, I would probably do it in Rust.
Which one? This one or
This
the?
one.
Oh,
This one.
this? Why?
I know because it's a systems programming language, and I mean Rust is definitely better than like C, right? So it's just like 30 years more modern and 40 years, 50 years, many years. Anyway,
Well, Alt
and
F2
it's
doesn't work for me, so cool.
Did you try both the alts?
No. Alt. Yeah, nothing. And I also can't resize the thing in here. So that's not a good. Actually, I don't even know if I have two outs, to be honest.
Yeah, like for XR, there's like Alt-GR is a thing. Then there's like the left and the right, I think. So like 3 alts.
Well, there's a. Well, I need to do Control Shift. Yes. So there is a way that you can spawn other things. So let's pick this, paste. Let's put Emacs there. Okay, so it's loading my Emacs now. Oh, my configuration does for full screen. Okay, that's gonna be a problem. Okay, so how do I undo the full screen of Emacs? Uh,
hmm,
full toggle. No. Okay, I need to remember. You do remember how to do that, Commander?
not in vanilla Emacs. No, let me think.
Uh, oh man, that's kind of inconvenient. I think I could put another program there, actually, instead of doing Emacs. We're gonna have to close this. Okay. Okay, so which other program could I put in there? Let me think. I don't know. Two X terms should be enough. Yeah, two X terms. But I'm very impressed that my out thing didn't work. Because if it works on Magetas, that means that kind of implies that maybe the problem is with my keyboard. And I don't know. I don't
Yeah,
think
I
that's
can
the
try
case.
it also.
No, the
I
repo
mean,
is in the project. I'm gonna send you the
let me clone
yeah
it.
there, so you can clone there. Okay, so xterm. Okay, so Alt F1. No, Alt F1 you need two windows. So it's Alt and something of dragging things. Oh, I need to do Ctrl Shift first.
Try
Yes.
running Emacs again. Maybe I can help.
Um, one sec. I'm just want to see if I can. Yeah, holding Alt, I can't do anything at all. Anything at all. You said try Emacs again, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So try toggle frame.
Hmm.
Okay, let's see. There is maximized. There is full screen. There's okay. And how about this? How about instead of this, you go set frame size.
Frame size.
Set frame size.
Set frame size. Set. Which one is that one?
No, no, no. It's just remove toggle and go set frame size. Set frame size.
Size I don't have.
But you have width and height, which is fine.
Okay, so set frame width. With, I don't know, 100? Maybe that's too much.
Yeah, probably too much.
And then
Go
set
with less.
width, so let's put, 50. And then let's put set frame height of 50 as well. Oh, 50. It was not happy with the 51.
Yeah, the default was 20, so go 10.
Okay, so the mini buffer is not showing up to me, so I'm guessing that, yeah, okay, Emacs is there, cool. But I still can't, do the what Magneto was doing about moving. What about
Oh,
Alt F1? No, Alt F1 is also not working to me. Okay, I'm starting to think that maybe control this NWM. Let's go to NWMC. Yeah. Oh, it's not Alt F2, it's Alt FE. No, it's Alt E. Oh, sorry. But Alt F1 is should work and it's not working at all. But um, let's try closing that and let's try Alt E. You see there? It is doing some whatever. So I think this is keyboard related then. Because I'm doing Alt E and it's just changing to the other thing there.
mhm.
Alt D, Alt D and Alt E. It produces this A character inside Xterm. So I think that we should not use common letters then, because then we're gonna have the problems with the keyboard. Um, yeah, but the Alt F1 for me doesn't work at also. Doesn't work, which is very annoying. Oh wait, it was with the grab stuff. Okay, my bad. So Control Shift, it needs to be release always. Okay, so Alt E, Alt D, both are unhappy. Let's test now the raise thing. So let's put the set frame height. Let's put that to 10. And that's enough already. So
Not
now
bad.
I'm gonna do. Sorry?
So did you guys do math?
Nah, it is not working on my machine.
What?
Have
Yeah,
you
mine is also not working.
have you done math?
And I've added like the X term to the flake because I don't have it here.
Ah, okay.
Okay, that's good.
Can I commit
Just
that?
one sec.
Oh yeah, please.
Okay, I'll push them.
Could be another terminal as well. But Xterm I think is lightweight, right? Could be UX
Okay, I'm
or
back.
VT. Or XVT I think actually.
Okay, so Mageta,
Mm.
I noticed a few things. So the first one, the even though I am inside and locked into the thing, if I do
Mhm.
Alt E and Alt D, this happens, right? Which basically
This
means that there's a keyboard
was,
issue.
yeah, this was showing up to me as well. Do you remember?
Yeah, but then how do you fix it to use the
Oh,
shortcuts?
that's interesting. Are you locked? Can you go
Yeah,
out?
I can't.
Well, okay. Kill the thing first of all. Mhm. Now just do next build just to be sure. Well, it's not gonna do anything, right? So just run sh run. Okay. Now wait. Now capture your mouse.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now go inside the extern. Yes. Now press Alt. Yes, Alt E. That's fine. Yeah. Can you change? Can you uncapture and change your keyboard layout?
I'm. I need to use this layout though.
Oh, this sucks.
Oh yeah. Let
Can you
me
change
do
the
it.
key to like F2?
Wait. Let me do another try here. Yeah, even changing to the English layout.
That is weird. Okay, change the key binding to F2.
Sure.
Let's see if it works. Did you try F1?
F1 also didn't work.
Oh, really?
Yeah, which it's very weird, right? It's very weird
Yeah.
indeed.
So,
So I
it
have no
might
idea why
also
that's not
be
working
the
for me.
keyboards haunting us or something.
No, but I'm using a very normal keyboard with like 75% and stuff.
It could be. Can you spell instead of Xterm like what do you use? Is this GNOME terminal? So right?
I have no idea.
Can you try typing GNOME dash terminal?
Oh.
What are you using, dude? What terminal is this? The heck?
The default one that comes
That
with
is GNOME
console.
terminal for sure.
Which console? No console.
Term?
There.
No. The
I
heck?
think you can do like echo and then like dollar term.
Like that?
Yeah,
Okay,
let's
it's
what it.
over.
Oh no. Yeah, it's just like the generic.
Yeah. Can you click on the terminal and go on about? Cat just meowed very loud. Okay,
Wait,
click on the thing.
click where, sorry?
Yeah, go on console up there on GNOME.
Console up there in GNOME.
Oh, it doesn't have about. Oh man, about is on macOS. I think I'm crazy. Okay, you can just install another one. Just install Alacrity, whatever. On Nix, just do a shell with Alacrity, and then you open Alacrity from there.
Okay, so Nick Shell P. What is the name of that?
Alacrity.
Like that?
Double T and Y.
Why
Y.
where?
Y on the last one.
On the last? Like
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I think I already have it.
Okay, now we just need to do run again, right?
Yes. Okay, but instead of like spawning the scrap, spawn Alacrity.
No, I was planning to do that another way around, but that's cool. So,
Or Emacs, whatever. Spawn Emacs instead on run. Like on run, instead of extern, yeah, put Emacs.
no, my Emacs is not the best for this type of stuff. We already tried. Um, okay. Hmm. Okay, so now Alt D. Nope.
Hmm.
Oh no no no! But I need to do the other thing. Yeah, no.
What the heck, man? It is capturing the key, right? But it's not with the funny symbols though.
Yeah, it is not with the funny symbols.
Including F1. Like.
I actually need to go to sleep, guys. But I'm gonna be, you know, uh, watching this project from time to time. I think.
Okay, thank you.
You commander.
Bye, Commander. Can you repeat, Mageta?
I asked if you tried F1.
Oh, Alt F1. But you need two applications to do Alt F1, remember?
Oh, it's another one.
Oh, spawn another one. Okay, so let's spawn Emacs.
Oh, try also Alt click. Alt click and drag.
Set frame 50. Okay, Alt F1, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
Nothing.
but nothing. Try to Alt click on Emacs and hold and drag.
Control Alt.
What?
You said Control Alt?
No. Alt click and drag. Nope. Yeah, dude, no key binding is actually.
Yeah.
Could it be that the mod key, because of your keyboard is different, the mod key is also different?
Woo! If that is the case, that would be terrible.
Mm-hmm.
Terrible, 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 dude.
Oh, try changing to try pressing like I don't know, super control
Okay,
shift, I
so
guess.
let's try super first. Nothing.
You're trying F1.
Yeah, I'm doing F1. Now control.
Mm,
Nothing as well. I'm gonna try the other special keys on the right side of the keyboard now. Nothing. Shift. No.
let's see what is
Caps.
mod mask 2.
Let's change it to mod master. Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, but let's see what is mod mask 2, right?
Oh, it's exactly what I said. We saw this multiple times already, and I always forget. I always forget these mod masks. Why don't they use names? I don't understand. So mod
Probably they
one.
don't use names because they change right from depending. Mod 1 man. I think I found it. Yeah. Dude, there's a cat meowing and it's really loud. Like
It is not
I
in
think
here. Oh, it is in here. Okay.
we have a table on Stack Overflow, yes.
Yeah, table on Stack Overflow. Who needs documentation again? Uh,
One shift what?
okay, so we are using mod 1. So let's go with um, lock mask maybe?
Mod 4. Try mod 4. That's Windows.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't
Uh,
change everything, did you?
oh, I changed all of them.
No, I can still see there mod 1.
Oh, no, but this is for the mouse though.
Mod 1. Alt.
This is for the mouse. That's kind of weird.
Oh man, won't GNOME conflict with this?
But I'm inside the environment. I did the Control Shift thing. That shouldn't matter at all.
Hmm.
Okay, so let's do run. Yeah, run. Okay. Now we can spawn Emacs, which will not be on this because my Emacs is configured to go full screen. Set frame 50. Okay. So we did out from out to super, right? Whoo!
Did it work?
Oh no, but I didn't lock. I didn't lock. Okay, that's fair. So Ctrl Shift. Yeah. So there. Nothing.
No.
Nothing is happening.
Hmm. So we have something that is in. Yeah. Well, I can continue here, but this is a bummer, man.
Yeah, this is a bummer indeed. And the other one was dragging,
Vinicius,
right?
Vinicius, can you
Dude,
try that?
Emacs is trying to interpret this. That was the problem that I mentioned before, right? Do you remember? So I'm holding super because we changed everything to mode 4. Emacs is trying to understand that, you see?
Which makes sense, right? But if you're clicking like outside, that doesn't really matter there. You see?
And then also,
Can you try running Vinicius?
you
I've
tried
actually
already.
tried. It
Oh, you
also
tried.
didn't work for me.
Oh, so it just magically works for.
Yeah, I've tried with extern. It didn't work.
So it is the classical works on my machine.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
t-shirt, basically. Well, even though we couldn't do reproducibility, this was already progress because we managed to make a way to debug this without doing a VM, which is awesome. And we already added two new functionalities, which is the spawn of Emacs and spawn of the menu. But just to everybody to be on the same page, this is not the functionality of the window manager, right? This is just us playing around, right?
Yeah.
What will be a window manager functionality will be the tiling, right? Which will involve math. So you're gonna have to do some sort of divisions to identify the size of the screen and the size of the application and do some sort of, I don't know, fraction manipulation or whatever. But we need to debug this. We need to debug this. So let's do. I think we are done for today then, right, Maggot?
I think yes, it's already 2 hours.
No, it's not 2 hours. On the recording, we
Oh,
are 40 minutes off. Two
yeah, because,
hours.
no, but we spent two, right? That's
Yeah,
the
we
thing.
spent 2 hours because we didn't record the initial process of discovering the
The boring part.
debugging thing. I thank you, Vinicius, to participate on this one, and Commander as well, but Commander is not here. Binary space partitioning. Yeah, that's kind of what we're gonna need.
Yeah.
Vinicius, thank you. You're gonna have to make that like i3 styling. Although I'm not necessarily 100, like I'm not pleased by the i3 way of doing the tiling, but I also don't like. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not a fan of like a window manager that instead of you just playing around, like I don't know, doing like this, you know.
What is this binary paste? Let me see the link.
Instead of doing like that, you just divide the thing into two in order to have the thing and etc. I don't know. That's just like I don't know, maybe personal preference. So I'm gonna stop the recording now.